Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. And in my previous video, I had taught you guys how to add an authenticator. Right now, all I'm gonna do is remove it. Well, it's quite easy. At the bottom of the screen, there is a button like this, right next to notification. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, you can simply scan a QR code and do multiple things. Do note that you can also view the Steam Guard code. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply click on this button right here, that is settings. And guys, this is it. From here, you can simply remove the authenticator. Well, it's up to you. Just click on it and give your confirmation. Click on remove authenticator. And guys, that is it. Give your confirmation once again. And that is it. That's how we remove the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.